Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you take control of your life through personal development, smart money habits, and entrepreneurship. If those things sound good to you, then please let me know by clicking the like and subscribe buttons down below. Now let's talk about the Discover It Cashback credit card and determine whether it's a card that should be in your wallet or not. One thing is for sure, it's really shiny. This is without a doubt one of the best cashback credit cards with no annual fee on the market. And I'm gonna do my best to show you exactly why that is. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's look at the cashback. This card earns 5% cashback in rotating quarterly categories. In other words, you'll be earning 5% cashback in something different every 3 months. I'm gonna get to that in just a minute. The welcome offer or bonus with Discover is usually a little bit different. Rather than giving you $200, $300, $400 all up front after you spend a certain amount in a few months, they actually match all of your cashback that you earn in the first year. So if you spent on your card and earned a total of $300 of cashback in your first year, they will then double it so you get $600. And the cool thing about this is that Discover has no limit to what they'll match in your first year. So if this year is going to be a year of really big spend for you, then you might want to consider getting this card before those expenses hit. There's also no interest for the first 14 months on both new purchases and balance transfers. And like with all Discover credit cards, there's no annual fee. To give you a sample of what these rotating 5% quarterly categories look like, here's a screenshot from my account for the year 2020. As you can see, January through March, or quarter one, I was earning 5% back at grocery stores, Walgreens and CVS. April through June, it was Home Depot, gas stations, Uber, Lyft, and wholesale clubs. July through September was all restaurants and PayPal. And October through December, I'll be earning 5% cashback at Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and Target.com. Now there are some limits to these 5% categories that you should be aware of. So first of all, you must activate them. If you forget to activate, you'll only be earning 1% cashback. However, Discover makes it very easy. On the right-hand side of your screen is a little screenshot of an email that they send me. So this was the one they sent for activating in quarter 4 of 2020, where I'm earning 5% cashback at Amazon, Walmart, and Target.com. And all I have to do in my email is click that orange button that says click to activate 5%. It's free. There's no login required to your account. You literally open up the email, click the one button, and you're good to go. Now these 5% quarterly categories are capped, so they will work up to the first $1,500 of spend each quarter. So if you max that out, you earn 5% back on $1,500 of spend. You will earn a total of $75 of cashback per quarter at the 5%. If you go beyond the $1,500 in the exact categories that are earning 5%, you'll then go back down to 1% for the remainder of that quarter. Then they'll be refreshed when the next quarter comes. When you go to redeem your cashback, there's several main options you can choose from. The first is to deposit directly into your bank account. Second is a statement credit. Third is to pay with cashback. So you can actually associate your credit card with your Amazon account or your PayPal account. And when you go check out to buy something, you can use your cashback rewards to pay for all or a part of your total amount. There's also no minimum to redeem your cashback. So if you only have 1 cent sitting in your account, you are good to go. You can redeem that if you want to. That's a really generous feature because a lot of banks that have cashback credit cards require you to have like $15, $25, or $50 of cashback stored up before you can access it and then go redeem it. As a fun perk, Discover also allows you to customize the design of your card. So the normal default design that you're probably familiar with is this one right here. It's the Discover It Blue card, or whatever they call it. It's very, very shiny, kind of has like a metallic brushed metal looking finish, although it is a plastic card, so no metal right now. Here's the reverse of the card if you'd like to see that as well. Something cool about Discover It cards is that the magnetic stripe here at the top is actually like a little bit of a hologram. So it kind of reflects when the light catches it. And then here's another design that I chose. My first name is actually Jeffrey. It's Jeffrey Mark Reese. So JR, my initials, got on the front of this card. I wanted kind of a sleek all black design. And then here's the reverse for both as well. Same with that hologram strip. So while I won't call this an actual benefit, it's still kind of fun to choose a card that fits your personality. Some of these security features that come with your Discover It Cashback credit card include $0 fraud liability guarantee, fraud protection, overnight card replacement, freeze it, which is where you can turn your card on or off in the app. So if you were to lose it, leave it at a bar or a restaurant, you could actually prevent people from using it to buy things until you find it. You'll get access to a free credit score, and there's 100% US-based customer service. I've probably called them 5 or 6 times over the past few years that I've had the card, and they've been very, very good. The reps are always in a great mood, eager to help you, and always solve my requests. So I do highly recommend their customer service. Regarding the fees, there's no annual fee on the card. There are no foreign transaction fees, so it's a great card to use abroad where Discover is accepted. No over limit fees. And there are balance transfer fees and cash advanced fees. For the balance transfer fees, during the promotional period, when you first open the card, there's a 3% fee one time when you transfer a balance to the card. Or if you transfer a balance to the card anytime after the promotional period, it's typically 5%. If you use the Discover It card to withdraw cash, there's a $10 fee or a 5% fee, whichever is greater. So the big question of the day is, should the Discover It cashback credit card be in your wallet? Let me help you find out. You should get this card if you are a beginner to credit cards. So if you have a very young profile or you don't have a robust credit score built up yet, you might have 1 or 2 secured credit cards that you've been using for 6 months to a year, and now you're looking for your first unsecured line of credit. This is a great choice for you because it's typically a very easy card to get approved for. However, you don't have to be a beginner to get this card. It's also a great fit if you simply want cash back and not travel points, or if you spend a lot of money at home. So gas, grocery, dining, retail, those tend to be typical 5% categories that the Discover It card offers. So if a lot of your money goes to those categories, this could be a great card to maximize the return you get on those expenses. It's also a fantastic credit card to use in combination with other cashback cards. So if you have other cards that earn like 3% on gas year round or 4% back on streaming or something like that, where the Discover card might only earn in those categories once per quarter, you could use those other cards to capture the spend and then switch to the Discover card only for that 5% bonus. You should not get this card if you want travel rewards, so airline miles, hotel points, things of that nature. Or if you want better insurance or protections on the card. The Discover It card's also not a great fit for you if you have a lot of non-bonus spend. So by that I mean things like utilities or insurance payments, healthcare expenses, and more. Basically, any of the categories that most cards don't earn in on a 2 or 3 or 4% basis, that would be non-bonus spend. So if the majority of your spend goes to things other than gas, grocery, retail, etc., then you might want to consider something like the Citi Double Cash card. For that reason, you should also not get this card if you want one card to do it all. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know what you think about the shiny Discover It cashback credit card. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you already have it in your wallet? Tell me in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, you are great.